So what we have here today is a Volkswagen Amarok. This is the brand new shape that's based on the Ford Ranger platform. So we've now completed our development of our Caravan camera interface into the factory 12-inch display. Now this interface will allow you to integrate up to 4 cameras of PAL, NTSC or even now a HD format right here on the factory screen. So what we're going to do is show you how the system operates. We have a dual AHD camera connected to the system. Now the operation of the system is a very simple activation by a long press of the OK button on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Now you can see there our Caravan camera. This is the long view camera looking straight out. Now if we go to reverse, we can see our factory camera there. If we long press the OK button again, now we have our second camera visible in reverse. So if you're doing a tricky maneuver, you can easily go back to the factory camera to make sure you're not jackknifing or something like that, and you can easily switch between the factory reverse camera and our Caravan camera just by long pressing the OK button on the screen. We go back to park. There we have the other camera there visible. While you're driving forwards, you can leave it there. We've aligned the image so that you can use your factory navigation at the same time, or your CarPlay, Android Auto, and have the camera sitting there constantly while you're driving as if it's a rear view mirror. Now if that camera image you wanted it a little bit bigger, you can long press the up button on the steering wheel and it will make that picture just a little bit bigger. So long press the up arrow again and it'll go back to that smaller size. So if you have any questions about integrating Caravan cameras into your Amarok, give our team a call and they'll do their best to help you out.